Hey! May nakita ako. Share ko lang. This is from Pastor Craig. Ang sabi, if you are facing something you don't understand, choose to trust God. Remember all He has done for you. His ways are higher than our ways, and He is always good. Friends, lahat naman siguro tayo ay naka-experience na ng ganito. Yung hindi natin alam yung mga nangyayari sa buhay natin. Ang dami nating tanong, bakit ito nangyayari? Hanggang kailan ito mangyayari? At bakit sa akin pa ito nangyayari? I think when we are in that situation, the best advice itong sinabi niya, choose to trust God. I repeat, choose to trust God. Yung hindi natin alam yung mga nangyayari, kapit tayo sa Panginoon. Bakit? Sabi niya, remember all He has done for you. His ways are higher than our ways, and He is always good. God is great. Alam niya yung purpose, bakit ito nangyayari sa buhay natin. God is wise. God's way is mysterious. We will be amazed, we will be surprised sa ways ni Lord sa buhay natin. So another reason is that God is good. So whatever the situation, God will show His goodness sa atin. So friends, have a great day. God bless you.